Okay, so as a result, we end up with quite a few word problems when it comes to Pythagorean theorem. The hardest part is just drawing an accurate picture. After that, it's just solving Pythagorean theorem problems just like you did in the last lesson. So starting with, here's a problem. Mr. Richard owns an orchard that has a rectangular fence. So we're going to start with a rectangle. Okay, and it says that the orchard is 36 yards long and 18 yards wide. If he walks the diagonal length of the orchard, how much distance would he cover? Okay, so the diagonal length would be this distance right here. That's called a diagonal. A diagonal goes from one corner to the opposite corner. So that's the diagonal. So this is basically asking us, what's this? Well, since this is a rectangle, that means that this is a right angle. And so now this becomes a Pythagorean theorem problem. This is going to be my C because that's the hypotenuse, and this is going to be A and B. So we have A squared plus B squared equals C squared. I'm going to plug in 36 squared plus 18 squared equals X squared. And now I'm just solving. So 36 squared is 1,296. 18 squared is 324, and that's supposed to equal X squared. 1296 plus 324 is 1,620. We're going to take the square root of both sides. And so the square root of 1,620, we're going to round this to the nearest tenth, is 40.2. So he would walk 40.2 yards. And that makes sense. We're expecting this to be the longest side, and it is. It's longer than 36. It's longer than 18. Kind of makes sense. Okay, let's try another one. I'm going to get rid of this right here. Goodbye. Okay, here we go. Ashley has a right triangular garden. Okay, so a right triangular garden means we're going to start by drawing a right triangle. Oh, there we go. She'd like the longest side of the garden to measure 17 yards. Well, we know that the longest side of the garden is the hypotenuse. This is a right triangle. She wants one of the sides to measure 10 yards. If she only has 13 yards of board left to build the third side, will she have enough? So what this is asking us to figure out, is this side right here going to be more than or less than 13? So we're going to start by Pythagorean theorem. I'm going to make this A, this is B, longest side is always C, the hypotenuse. We've got A squared plus B squared equals C squared. So we're going to have X squared plus 10 squared equals 17 squared. 10 squared is 100. 17 squared is 289. Subtract 100 from both sides. Take the square root of both sides. And I get X equals the square root of 189 is 13.7. She only has 13 yards of board left. She would need 13.7 in order to complete this triangle, so no. She doesn't have enough. Since she would need 13.7 yards. So draw yourself a picture, label, solve for what they're asking you to solve, make sure you answer the actual question, and then write a sentence that answers the question. That's it.